Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you reset your Instagram's Explore page. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First of all, we're going to be opening up our Instagram app obviously, and then we're going to be moving to our Explore side, which is the magnifying glass on the bottom. So now what do you do to reset it? Well, actually this is a new account, so technically it's already reset in a sense, but by resetting, what I mean is how do you make it according to what you want it to be. First of all, I mean it usually depends upon the people you follow. So right now I don't really follow a bunch of people. It's just two of my friends here that I only use for testing purpose. So what you can do is you can just unfollow those people that you think that are causing your Explorer feed, that might be causing your Explorer page to look bizarre or not right up to the par. So you can unfollow those people. Next, what you can do is you can just, let's suppose this on the top right, you see those three dots. You can press that, and now you can do not interested. Now selecting this option basically hides the post, and also Instagram is going to stop recommending you such posts. So that kind of clears your Explorer, and it just optimizes it for you. You can keep doing it for the same, and if you like a post, for example any stunt video, you can just like the video. You like that video, and those kind of posts will start showing up more. So these two steps are the key steps to optimizing your Explore feed. And like I said earlier, you can just follow the pages that you are interested in and unfollow those that you might not be interested in. So using these steps, you can obviously optimize your Explore feed, and that is how you reset your Instagram's Explore page. So that is all from this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Thank you guys.